This is Syma S52H. It is a military style helicopter. 2 propellers. We're going to open this up, show you what it looks like inside the box, and demonstrate how it works. This is a 3-channel 2.4 gigahertz unit you're going to supply some batteries for. Unwrap everything nice and carefully out of the box. The RC military helicopter, a precision screwdriver, parts, spare propellers, micro JST charging cable, and the controller that you're going to open up the back door. Place in 4 AAA batteries. Check the remote control that it turns on and off, and all the controls work in every single direction. Unwrap, plug in. We have indication that we have power to the USB-A, and we're going to plug into the port area of the micro JST. Do our best to line it up. Plug it in, place to the side, and wait for the light to turn red for fully charged, placing the helicopter carefully on its side, then on the plug. This is a 150 milliamp battery that would take 30 minutes to charge and 8 hours of run time. You're given a manual, and all the information is provided on pages telling you what parts you get with your helicopter and all. On the controller, you're going to turn on, pair your helicopter. You have the options to trim left and right, 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing. You have 8 props, 4 prop A's, 4 prop B's. The precision screwdriver takes off each of the propellers, and each of the propellers has a correct way of going on and off. This would be the wrong, this would be the right. With the precision screwdriver, carefully unscrew, pull away the propeller, take a new propeller, slide on through the screw, and re-screw back on. Please do not over tighten, allow the screwdriver to do its job. This is loose, this is tight, loosen up to make it nice and comfortable. These are called dog bones. They go on over here, and they're very easy to take off and place on. You grab with your fingers, you snap off, you simply do your best to snap on and snap, and you're done. On the military drone, your wheels, they do move a little bit. You have your on and off switch. You have something that looks like your motors. Very well designed. And when we're ready to fly, we'll show you what it's all about. 2 pair, press on, up, down, we're paired. To ascend, going up, descend, going down, to rotate in one direction and the other direction, and then going forward. To center your trimming, you want to hear the long beep. If you're trimming that way, and you want to make sure your helicopter goes this way, you hit this one. If you went too much this way, you hit this one. Turning on both the helicopter and the controllers, up, down, the light over here, as you can see where my pinky's at, and we're going to start our helicopter. These are brushed motors. We're going to shut down the RC helicopter and go for a flight. So I'm kind of all set up, and this is my first flight, and I'm going to show you how it's going to fly. We have an auto takeoff by hitting this button here. And that thing goes up and it turns. It hovers altitude hold by itself. There is a fan on that this is going to catch the breeze. There is one speed only. Just drop down just a little bit. Make a counterclockwise, clockwise turn, which is a figure 8. I'll bring it up nice and close to the camera so you can see. And it goes pretty fast and flying. You can hear the brush motors going. Now I am going to try to come in for a landing. When that drops pretty fast, there you go. The one thing I want to show you when it crashes, let me bring it forward for you. It automatically shut down. It has a low voltage cutoff. In order to refly, you have to just basically go up, and there you go. Let's go have some fun. The S52H military helicopter